my YouTube channel. So today we are starting the first quiz that we have for today. So everyone, you can share the link to the quiz to everyone you want. You have to go to joinmyquiz.com and the code for today is 955486. So I'll be sharing it just 2 more minutes and then we'll be starting the quiz. Is that fine? Okay, so okay. Holly is saying please unmute me. Wait. What is happening to me?
Please wait, actually I'm disconnected from the course.
Okay.
Did this speaker board will also come on your YouTube channel?
Yes, it will come. Meera, I'll upload the video, okay?
Yeah, okay, thank you. Didi, can you tell me what's the code?
Okay, the code is 955486.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. So I'll unmute everyone so that they can speak. Hello. Okay. Hello Abhisha. Hello Kanak. Hello Pranav. Hello Rishika, Sushravya. Hi everyone. So we are starting the quiz now. So you have to go to joinmyquiz.com and the code for today is 955486. So here it is. Hope you can see the screen. So I'm starting the quiz in 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. I hope you all have joined. So the first question is, what is Doraemon's favorite cake? Five more seconds remaining for the question. What is Doraemon's favorite cake? 4. Here it goes. Time's up. On the leaderboard we have Rimjim, Mihira, Sonira, Alka. Moving on to the next question, people. The correct answer was dorayaki. Sir, there is some problem. Wait a second. Yes, here I am alive again. The second question is, who is sister of Doraemon? 10 more seconds remaining. Answer the question quickly. Who is sister of Doraemon? Time is up. Now let's see whom do we have on the leaderboard. First we have Rimjim, Mihira, Sonira, Alka. Moving on to the next question. Are you guys able to play the quiz? Okay, I think there's a lag here. I'll set this up. What is the device that is used to go to the past and future? So Doraemon is actually a cat robot who can do several things. तो वो कोई device use करता है which can help him to go to the past and future. So what is that device called? Answer the question quickly, and I'm ending the question in 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. So we have this leaderboard is actually not updating. The correct answer was time machine. I think there is a lag here. What I'll do is everyone able to hear me and play the quiz? Rimjim, your voice is lagging.
Hello.
Hello? Are you able to play the quiz? And if there are some issues, you can write me on Telegram.
Your voice is cutting, ma'am.
It's okay.
Your voice is clear.
Wait, I'll write on Telegram. We had a Telegram group, like, right, Quizzical. So I'm opening the chat box so that you guys can write there. You can are you able to play the quiz?
Yeah, there is no glitch.
Actually, the issue is that on my computer screen, the leaderboard is actually not updating. I'll refresh once. Yes, I'm doing that.
So there is no network issue.
Yeah, that is only. Yes, now it's happening. It's going fine now. I think everything is clear. Now let us continue that. Moving on to the next question. In 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. The next question is, who is the richest person in Doraemon? So I think most of you have answered. 3 people have answered. Mihira, Rimjim, Madhura, Happy Sharma. 4 people have already answered the question. Be quick. Only 5 more seconds remaining, people. So the correct answer was Sunyo. So he is the richest person in Doraemon, right? Actually, he with everything that he brings, he says that ये मेरे पापा अमेरिका से लाए थे and all. So he is the richest person. Wait, I'll moving on to the next question. Wait. Next question in your screen in 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. So the next question is, who is Shivanshi? So here is a photo as well. So if you have seen the first or second episode of Doraemon from the very beginning, you must know about him, right?
Yeah.
So 5 more seconds left, and here ends the quiz, and here it goes. So the correct answer is actually he is the grandson of Nobita, because Doraemon is not from the present, Doraemon is from the past. Mihira, Madhura, Rimjim, Happy Sharma, Akshada on the leaderboard. Top 5. Moving on to the next question. Wait. Next question is, who am I? Yes, Rimjim?
The fastest one will be got the first position in the leaderboard.
Yes. In the last, I'm gonna be informing you, and also I'm uploading the video on YouTube. So, yes. So, only 4 more seconds. I'm not able to hear you. One thing that you can do, Rimjim, you can write me in the group whatever you wanna convey, because I'm not able to hear you due to some network issues. On the leaderboard, we have Mihira, Rimjim, Happy, and Madhura. The correct answer was Jacko. So Jacko is Jian's sister, right? If I'm not wrong, Jacko is Jian's sister. So here it goes. Moving on to the next question, people. In 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. So Kanak is asking me, are we going to get certificate? No, you are not going to get certificate for fun academic quizzes, fun non-academic quizzes. You are going to get certificate for those quiz marathons which are held on Telegram. Like yesterday we did, right? Nutrition in plants का हम लोगों ने कल किया था quiz marathon. Do you guys remember, at 8 p.m. So you are going to get certificates for these type of quizzes, and you are not going to get certificates for mini quizzes and non-academic quizzes. So I hope, Kanak, I have solved your doubt. So on the leaderboard, our new joinee Abhisha has been always also there. The question was, from which century did Doraemon came from? So the answer is, he is from 22nd century. He is not from the present. He is actually from future. He is from future, right? So he is from the 22nd century. So the correct answer was option number C, and 5 of you have done it right. Moving on to the next question, people. I hope it's going fine. If you cannot hear me properly, do not worry. You will be able to hear me on YouTube. I'll upload this video. So the next question is, where did cartoon Doraemon originated? So from which country basically it has been originated? So Mihira, Abhisha, Rimjim, Madhura, Happy have already answered the question. There are some people remaining. Hope you answer it well. I'll end the timer. So Rimjim is asking, Rimjim is asking what we will get for winning the quiz. Yes, I hope you're hearing. So Rimjim, you are going, actually I'll upload this video on YouTube, and I don't think there's anything except shout out for this quiz. The certificates that we used to provide is for the quiz marathons only. So yes, now I'm ending the question. Here it goes. There's still some participants left to answer, but yeah, that's it. Leaderboard. So Mihira, Rimjim, Happy, then Madhura, Abhisha, RRR are on leaderboard. So the correct answer is actually Japan. Japan is the country from which Doraemon actually came from, right? Japan is only the country where Doraemon actually came from. It is a Japanese anime, right? So the correct answer was Japan. And moving on to the next question. In 3, 2, 1, here it goes. So the next question is, who is Doraemon's favorite cat friend? I hope you all know the answer. This is a very easy question. Who is Doraemon's favorite cat friend? So a lot of you have already answered the question. Mihira, Rimjim, Madhura, Happy Sharma, RRR, Manas have already answered the question. Amazing job done, people. The full question, here it goes. So the option are Mi-chan, Nobita, Doraemon's sister or Sunio. This is a very easy question. In सब में से cat कौन है? Obviously, that would be the correct answer, right? So the leaderboard, here it goes. Mihira is on the top of the leaderboard. Wait, I don't know why I'm not able to see the leaderboard. Moving on to the next question, the correct answer was Mi-chan, whom Doraemon loves to talk. Mi-chan is Doraemon's best friend, sorta, right? Now next question is, what is the maximum score of Nobita in test? I hope you all know the answer. What is the maximum score of Nobita in test? तो नोबिता को उसके हर टेस्ट में कितने मार्क्स आते हैं? Mihira is asking, Didi, when will you upload this video on YouTube? So I'll be uploading this video on YouTube just today, or if there would be some network issues, I'll be uploading it tomorrow. Do not worry, it would be all there. Yes. So it's been 17 minutes recording the session. So what is the maximum score of Nobita in test? So Nobita is actually getting very less marks in test, right? So let's see what is the correct answer. So the correct answer is 0. I mean, Nobita does not get any good marks in his test. So the correct answer to this question was 0, and all of you, almost every one of you answered this correctly. Moving on to the next question, people. Wait. This was the last question. Now let's see who won. So on the third position we have Happy, on the second position we have Rimjim, and on the first position we have Mihira. Congratulations, Mihira, for winning the quiz. And there were a lot of players else playing the quiz. Thanks to everyone for attending it. Today there were some network issues. I'll try to sort these problems out. This is the very first time I did it. So we'll be doing this next for next more days. Congratulations, Mihira, Rimjim and Happy, for winning the first 3 positions in today's non-academic Doraemon quiz. Yes, Mihira.
Ma'am.
I am not able to hear you guys. You can write me everything in the chat section because I'm not able to hear you due to some network issues. Let us see if we can do something. Let us end the session. What say, people?